Hi, good evening to all are fine, all are happy. Welcome to Cambridge Plus 2 Science Tutorial Nagar. Today talk about another important chapter of animal tissue, that is nervous tissue. Okay, if we're talking about nervous tissue, it is basically originated from ectoderm. You know, three germ layers are found. Basically, ectoderm, endoderm, and mesoderm, out of which the nervous tissue is coming out from the ectoderm. So we can call that nervous tissue is ectodermal in origin. Okay, try to focus minor. If you take about the next one, the nervous tissue helps in control and coordination. Okay, the nervous tissue helps in control and coordination. Yes. If we talking about the next one, the nervous tissue as basically it is a type of tissue which receives the information, and transfer it to the other parts of the body. Okay, try to focus my dear. बुझे पे चेष्टा करो एठी गोटे मसाटे बसिला. Try to focus my dear. This information is passed to the brain. Okay, immediately information which one from the brain, another order is coming out to which one kill the mosquito. That means the information from this part transferred to this part and from this part to this part. This is received, that means the information is received by nervous tissue and transferred to other part of the body. Okay, try to focus mind. If we're talking about the nervous tissue, this nervous tissue is basically otherwise called neural tissue. Okay, try to focus mind. If we're talking about another point, the nervous tissue is otherwise called neural tissue. Okay, if we're talking about nervous tissue, okay, or neural tissue or nervous system, we can call that neurology. Okay, neurology is the study of nervous tissue or which system? Nervous system. Clear? And try to focus mind here. If we're talking about the nervous tissue is made up of 4 types of cells. Okay, the nervous tissue is made up of 4 types of cells. What are they? The first one, if we're talking about the first one, we can call that neuron or nerve cell. Okay, try to focus mind here. The which one? The nervous tissue is made up of neuron and nerve cell, and the second one we can call that neuroglial cell. Another type of cell. There is a supporting cell of nervous tissue. We can call that neuroglial cells. Okay, and try to focus mind. The third one, the third type of tissue is called third type of cell is called neurosecretory cells. Okay, try to focus mind here. We're talking about the fourth one. There is another type of cells is found in nervous tissue, that is called ependymal cells. Okay, nervous tissue completely made up of these 4 types of cells: neuron or nerve cell, neuroglial cell, neurosecretory cell, and ependymal cell. Okay, now one by one we talk about the different types of cells found in the nervous tissue. Okay, try to focus my dears. Next one. One by one we talk. Now we talk about nerve cell, or we can call that, it is also called neuron. Okay, if we talk about the neuron or nerve cell, it is known as the longest cell of the body. Okay, body रा सबुठारु लंबा सेल कहिले न्यूरॉन बा नर्व सेल को बुझाए, because its size vary from few micron to few meter. Okay, clear? Try to focus my dear. Next one, it is the type of cell which contain all cell organelles, that is mitochondria. Nerve cell सब प्रकार cell organelle अछि जेमति mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum, ribosome, etc. except centrosome. Okay, which one? सब cell organelle अछि केवल centrosome को छाडी देकी. ता माने nerve cell have no power of division. So nerve cell ro division karibar capacity nahi. For that reason nervous tissue do not have regeneration capacity. ओके बुझे चेष्टा कर पिला माने हुजुआ नर्व सेल रे सब प्रकार सेल ऑर्गेनेल अछि केवल सेंट्रोसोम को छाडी देकी जदि सेंट्रोसोम नथिबो ताहाले से सेलटी सेल डिवीजन रे जाई परिबो नाही जदि ताहा सेल डिवीजन रे जाई परिबो नाही ताहाले हुजुआ नर्वस टिश्यू मुख्यतः नर्व सेल रे बा न्यूरॉन रे तयार हेथिबारु नर्वस टिश्यू रा हुजुआ नर्व सेल जेहेतु सेल डिवीजन रे जाई पारु नाही बा नुवा सेल प्रोड्यूस करि पारु नाही ताहाले नर्वस टिश्यू रो रिजनरेशन करियार कैपेसिटी नाही सो फॉर दैट रीजन द नर्वस टिश्यू डू नॉट हैव the regeneration capacity. Okay, 100% mind, yes. ता परवर्ती point को बुझिए. If we talking about the next point, the nervous tissue. If we talking about the nervous tissue, is made up of 4 types of cells, out of which the main type is nerve cell or neuron. जेते प्रकार सेल अछि nervous tissue रे ता भितरु न्यूरॉन बा nerve cell रो अमाउंट बा संख्या सबुटु अधिक. And the entire work सबुजाक काम nervous tissue ro is also done by nerve cell or neuron. Okay, for that reason nerve cell is known as the structural and functional unit of nervous tissue. nervous tissue ro structural एवं फंक्शनल यूनिट हमें कहिबा ट्राई टू फोकस माय डियर नर्व सेल को बा न्यूरॉन को बिकॉज़ पूरा नर्वस टिश्यू न्यूरॉन ने तयार हेई थाए एवं एंटायर काम बा समस्त काम केवल नर्वस टिश्यू बा न्यूरॉन बा नर्व सेल द्वारा हेई थाए सेति पई नर्व सेल इज नोन एज द स्ट्रक्चरल एंड फंक्शनल यूनिट ऑफ व्हिच टिश्यू नर्वस टिश्यू क्लियर ओके ट्राई टू फोकस माय डियर on the next one. The nerve cell is basically, this is the structure of the nerve cell or neuron. This is the structure of the nerve cell or neuron. Okay, try to understand one by one. The nerve cell is basically or neuron is basically divided into 2 parts. Okay, the first one we can call that cytosol. Okay, and the second one we can call that cell process. Cell processes. Okay, you know, try to understand this part from this. is a red part देखी पारो so this part we can call that cytosol. Okay, and try to focus mind the other structures, this one and this one. Okay, the structures which are arises from the cytosol we can call that cell process. Okay, तर ये जो structure उड़ा देखो जो try to focus mind these are which one cell process. Okay, the neuron is divided into 2 parts, one is cytosol and second one is cell process. Okay, next one, the cell process is 2 types. One is called, you know, these are small structures. We can call that small process. Okay, we can call that dendron. These are the small in size, so smaller process we can call that which one dendron. And you know there is a large process. We can call that axon. Okay, the neuron is basically divided into 2 parts. One is cytosol and the second one is cell process. The cell process is again divided into 2 parts. That is dendron, that is the smaller process, and axon, that is the larger process. Okay, one by one we talk in detail. Gote detail re katha ba. First we talk about cytosol. Okay, let us focus what is cytosol. Okay, this cytosol is basically, you can mark this structure. A red region mark is a structure, you can understand that. Cytosol. Okay, it is otherwise called cell body, or we can call that soma, or we can call that perikaryon. Okay, cell body or soma, or which carry on perikaryon. Okay, try to focus mind. We go to the next one. These are basically contain granular cytoplasm. This is the cytoplasm, you can understand. This is the cytoplasm. This white color structures, basically the white in color. The cytoplasm contain granules. That is called which one? So the cytosol contain granular cytoplasm. Okay, that means cytoplasm रे जदि दाना भलिया substance वा granule रहिला ताहले the cytoplasm is called granular cytoplasm. The cytosol contains granular cytoplasm. Okay, containing Nissel's granule. Okay, try to focus to granular रखी जो जोति पाई से granular cytoplasm होची, and that granule is called Nissel's granule. You can find out this. That means the cytosol contain granular cytoplasm containing Nissel's granule. Okay, and try to focus, my dear. This Nissel's granule is made up of okay. Try to focus, my dear. One metal that is called iron. Good metal that is called iron plus ribosome plus endoplasmic reticulum plus nucleoproteins. Okay, the Nissel's granule is made up of iron, ribosome, endoplasmic reticulum, and nucleoproteins. Clear? And try to focus, my dear. The next one, what is the function of Nissel's granule? Always a short question is asked in the exam. Okay, what is the functions of Nissel's granule? And the main function of the Nissel's granule is protein synthesis. Protein synthesis is the main function of Nissel's granule because it contains ribosome. Due to presence of the ribosome, it helps in protein synthesis. Okay, the next one. Apart from this, it contains a large central nucleus. A large nucleus at the center. A large central nucleus. Okay, or you can call that a large nucleus, large rounded nucleus at the center. It contains large nucleus at the center. Okay, try to focus on the next one. What is the next one? It is the cytosol contain all cell organelles like mitochondria, Golgi body, all the things already told you. Mitochondria is present, Golgi body is present, endoplasmic reticulum is present, ribosome is present, all cell organelles present. Okay, here try to focus. This is not here, that is mitochondria. Okay, try to focus. This which one? This one. It contains all the cell organelles like which one? Try to focus. Mitochondria, Golgi body, and all this except centrosome. Clear? So this is the basic fundamental about cytosol. First, it is otherwise called cell body or soma or perikaryon. The cytosol contains granular cytoplasm containing Nissel's granule. The Nissel's granule made up of which one? Iron, ribosome, endoplasmic reticulum, and nucleoproteins. And it helps in the Nissel's granule helps in protein synthesis. Apart from that, it contains large nucleus at the center. Apart from that, it contains cell organelles like mitochondria, Golgi body, endoplasmic reticulum, ribosome, etc. But without centrosome. Clear? So this is the basic fundamental about cytosol. Now we talk about cell process. Okay, let us focus, my dear. One by one we talk about which process? Cell process. Okay, right. Let us focus, my dear. We are talking about cell process. What is cell processes? The cell processes, matlab these are the structures which are arranged from the which body? Cell body or cytosol. Okay, from the cytosol, which one structures are coming out. Few structures are coming out from the cytosol. We can call that which process? Cell process. These are of how many types? Okay, just repeating that. These are the structures which are arranged from which one? Cytosol. Okay, try to focus, mind. For that reason, we can call that cell process. Okay, and try to focus, mind. The cell process are already two types. I already told you. There's of two types. One is called dendron. First, one is called which one? Cell process are two types. One is called dendron, and the next one is axon. Okay, one by one we talk about. First, we talk about dendron. Okay, try to guess on it. These are small in size, so we can call that these are the smaller process. Okay, the smaller process of the neuron. Okay, try to guess, my dear. You break on the next one. This number vary from 1 to many. Okay, try to guess, my dear. Which one? This is the structure of the neuron. This is the cyton. This is the which one? Axon, and these are the dendrons. Okay, try to understand this one. Which one? Try to guess, my dear. Which one? Sometimes the neuron contain one dendron or sometimes many. So the number vary from, or the dendron number vary from 1 to many. Okay, try to guess, my dear. You better on the next one. The dendrons are further divisible. Try to understand this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one. The dendrons are further divisible. We can call that further divisible, called dendrites. Okay, the dendrons are further divisible. We can call that dendrites. Yes, try to guess, my dear. The next one, you know, the dendrons contain which plasm? Cytoplasm. Containing which granules? Nissen's granule. Dendrons contain granular cytoplasm containing which granule? Nissen's granule. Okay, try to guess, my dear. This is the basic fundamental about which one? Dendron. Okay, another point. They brings the information. Here, the information is received. Okay, they brings the information to the cyton. They brings the information to the cyton. Okay, they collect the information from the sense organs. You know sense organs? Eye, ear, nose, tongue, skin. These are the which organs? Sense organ. Okay, and try to guess, my dear. They receive the information. The dendrons receives the information and bring that information to the cyton. They receive the information and bring the information to the cyton. So for that reason, these are known as afferent process. Okay, the dendrons receives the information, receive currently, and brings to the cyton. So called information receive currently এবং আনন্তি কোটিকে না cyton. For that reason, they are known as afferent process. Which process? Afferent process. Another short question always asked. Who is known as the afferent process of the neuron? Who is that? Dendron is known as the afferent process of the neuron because it brings the information to cyton. Clear? 100%. So this is the basic fundamental about dendron. Clear, idiots? Okay. Now we switch to axon. Next. Clear? Let us focus. One by one we take. Okay. These are the smaller process. So this means this is which one? Larger process, large in size. This is the larger process of neuron. It is the largest process of the neuron. And its number is, you can see the figure, always one. Its number is always 1. Okay, it is always 1 in number. Clear? Try to focus next one. You take in the next one, axon. And the neuron is longest cell because see that the dendron is small in size. So the dendron is small in size. The cyton is small in size. But try to guess, my neuron is the longest cell. Neuron is the longest cell because of axon. Okay, neuron is the which cell? Longest cell. Because of axon. Axon is large in size. Okay, for that reason, basically, neuron is the longest cell because of the axon. Yes, the next one. If you're talking about the next one, this is the axon, and you know, this is the which one? Cytoplasm. The cytoplasm of the axon is which plasm? Anybody? Isoplasm. Clear? Try to guess, my dear. Very interestingly, that's much. You know the plasma membrane. Plasma membrane. You know plasma membrane is otherwise called which lemma? Plasma lemma. In the same way, the plasma membrane of axon is called axolemma. You know plasma lemma of the axon is called which lemma? Axolemma. Because plasma membrane is otherwise called which lemma? Plasma lemma. Clear? Clear. The plasma membrane of the axon is called axolemma. Yes. Try to focus my dear. Which one? The axon arises from the cyton. The axon arises from the cyton from an elevated part. Good, a follicular part. Try to understand. This is cyton. This is the elevated part. From the elevated part of the cyton, who arises? Axon arises from the elevated part. Elevated part of cyton. Axon arises. Okay, we can call that, and that is known as, what is that? Anybody guys? Which hillock? Axon hillock. Okay, the elevated part, cyton raw, elevated part to axon arises. The elevated part from which axon arises of cyton. We can call that axon hillock. Just out of case kar dochi. Cyton raw elevated part, utithia part, follicular part to Jeutharu, which one axon asichi, we can call that axon hillock. Clear, guys? No confusion. The next one. Next. Try to focus mind. This is which one? This is axon. Axon have branching. The axon have branching. Try to understand this. This is which one? Try have a branching which is right angle. You can understand this is right angle, completely 90 degree. Okay, the axon forms branches. The axon form branches which is right angle to the axon. Axon ko 90 degree karche, and we can call that which fiber? Collateral fiber. Try to understand. Slowly we are going. The axon having branches. Axon have branch which is a right angle to axon. Okay, axon have branch which is right angle to axon is known as, anybody? Collateral fiber. That is called which fiber? Anybody? Collateral fiber. Yes. The next one. The axon runs down. The axon which one narrows towards, you know, the axon narrows. You try to understand like this. The axon narrows towards end. Okay, try to focus. The axon narrows towards end and divisible into branches. Here one branch, here another branch. Okay, we can call that telodendron. The axon narrows, patla hi jaଉଛି. Narrows towards ends. Okay, the axon narrows towards end and divisible into branches. Called telodendria. We can call that which dendria? Anybody guys? Telodendria. It is divisible into which one? Branches. You can call that which dendria? Telodendria. Clear. So this is the basic fundamental. Okay, the next one. The which one? After division of branching, the axon ends with knob-like structure. Knob, you know which one? Knob. Choto mathia type of structure, knob, or bottom-like structure. Bottom-like structure. Okay, the next one. The axon ends with. The axon ends with knob-like structure. Okay, knob-like structure or bottom-like structure. Bottom-like structure. We can call that and called, anybody, synaptic knob. Synaptic knob or synaptic buttons. Okay, the neuron or the axon ends with bottom-like structure. Okay, we can call that synaptic knob or we can call that synaptic button. Okay, and try to guess, my dear, the synaptic knob, the knob contain chemicals. तुम्हें पढ़ी थी 9th 10th रे, what is that? That chemical is known as acetylcholine, you know. Okay, a number of chemicals are there and we can call that neurotransmitters. Okay, these chemicals, what is, I am signed here, this red in color. Okay, try to guess, red color signals are found in this figure, you can find out that. The synaptic knob contains chemicals. Okay, neurotransmitters. That would be acetylcholine. The next one. The synaptic knob contains chemicals called neurotransmitter. Okay, try to guess, my dear. The synaptic knob contains chemicals, we can call that neurotransmitters. The chemicals are transmit one neuron to another neuron at the synapse. दीटा न्यूरन भीतर थिया जंक्शन को आमे सिनाप्स कहबा पछरे पढिया पिला माने तुम जानि थिबा एटा दीटा न्यूरन भीतर थिया जंक्शन को which one आमे कहबा synapse. Try to guess, my dear, which one, and at that synapse the chemical is transmitted. ए जो chemical देखो जो तुमे neurotransmitter गोटे न्यूरन रु आउ गोटे न्यूरन को ट्रांसफर होता है. Okay, we can call that which one, neurotransmitter. The synaptic knob contain neurotransmitter chemicals, we can call that neurotransmitter. Clear? So this is the basic fundamental about axon. Let us focus on other things are there. The neuron is covered by one or more coverings. The neuron is covered by one or more coverings. You can see the figure here. What is that? Yes. The neuron is covered by one or more coverings. Yes. You know the first covering we are talking about. The first covering here, endoneurium. Endoneurium. Okay, the neuron, it is the outer covering of the neuron. Okay, the neuron is covered by one or more coverings. Okay, and the first one we can call that endoneurium. It is the outer covering of the neuron. Okay, and just below that, there is the second one, that is called Seythup's one. Okay, try to guess, my dear. It is which one? Try to guess one. It is a connective tissue sheath. Connective tissue sheath covering. Try to guess, my dear. That is called which one? Seythup's one. Okay, it is the middle covering. Okay, try to guess, my dear. Seythup's one. Okay, and try to guess, my dear. The Seythup's one is basically composed of Schwann cells. It is made up of which cells? Seythup's one is made up of Schwann cells and it is the middle covering. Okay, and try to guess, my dear. Okay, which one? The third one we are talking about the innermost covering. We can call that which one? We see it? Myelin sheath. Myelin sheath. It is the innermost covering. It is the innermost covering. Okay, and it is secreted by this myelin sheath as basically secreted by, try to guess, my dear, which one? What cells? Schwann cells. Clear? Try to guess, my dear. The neuron is covered by three coverings. The first one we can call that endoneurium. Try to guess one is the whichmost covering, outermost covering. And the second one we can call that which one? Sheath of Schwann. This is the middle covering which is made up of which one? Schwann cells. And try to guess what that is. Next one is called myelin sheath. The which one? Myelin sheath, the innermost covering. And try to guess, my dear, very interestingly, the myelin sheath is basically secreted by which cells? Schwann cells. Clear? Try to guess, my dear. Now we talk about which one? Types of neuron. Okay, try to understand. Depending upon this myelin sheath, depending upon this, we say myelin sheath, the neurons are of two types. Okay, depending upon the myelin sheath, the neurons are of how many types? Two types. Okay, let us focus one by one we talk. Okay, depending upon myelin sheath, the neurons are two types. One is called medullated neuron. Another one is called non-medullated neuron. Depending upon which one, try to understand. Depending upon this myelin sheath, the neuron is of two types. One is called medullated neuron, or you can call that myelinated neuron. Okay, and try to focus mind on the second one. If you're talking about, one is called non-medullated. Which one? Another one is called non-medullated neuron, or you can call that non-myelinated neuron. Okay, so what is that? Here, myelin sheath is present. The sheath is present. Okay, in this type, myelin sheath is absent. Okay, in this type of neuron, myelin sheath is absent. So we can call that non-myelinated neuron. Okay, try to guess my dad. Here, myelin sheath is present, so we can call that medullated neuron. Okay, right? Due to presence of the myelin sheath, that is basically, try to guess my dad. These are white in color. These are which one? White in color. And try to guess my dad. These are green color. Okay, the non-medullated neurons are basically green color, whereas the medullated neurons are which in color? White in color. Yes, the main function of the neuron is what is that? Transmission of impulse. Okay, which one? Gote jagaru information out gote jagaku naba. Which one the main function of the neuron? Try to focus, my dear. Okay, ये न्यूरॉन मध्य नॉन मेडुलेटेड न्यूरॉन मध्य इंपल्स ट्रांसमिशन में सहायता करे, मेडुलेटेड न्यूरॉन मध्य इंपल्स ट्रांसमिशन में सहायता करे, बट द इंपल्स ट्रांसमिशन इज फास्टर. Okay, try to focus mind. In this type, impulse transmission is faster. Impulse transmission is faster in medullated neuron. Okay, and try to guess mind here. Impulse transmission is slower in non-medullated neuron. Impulse transmission is slower in non-medullated neuron. Okay, and if you're talking about the speed, here 130 meter per second. Okay, the speed of impulse transmission, जो speed रे impulse transmission होची by information जी बासिया होची तारा speed टा medullated neuron how much meter per second? 130 meter per second. But try to focus mind is, if we're talking about in medullated, which are non-medullated neuron, the impulse transmission is 15 to 20 meter per second. The impulse transmission is slower, that is 15 to 20 which 1 meter per second. Okay, clear? So this is the basic fundamental. Which one? Another one is, try to guess mind in this type, medullated neuron. Sheath of Schwann is always present. The sheath of Schwann is always present because the sheath of Schwann secretes the myelin sheath. In medullated neuron, the sheath of Schwann is always present because it synthesizes the myelin sheath. But try to guess mind here. In this type, in non-medullated neuron, sheath of Schwann may or may not present. Sheath of Schwann may or may not present in non-medullated neuron. Clear, guys? Try to guess mind here. So this is the basic fundamental about medullated neuron and non-medullated neuron. Clear? 100%. No confusion. The first, myelin sheath is present in medullated neuron, myelin sheath is absent in non-medullated neuron. It is white in color medullated neuron, or non-medullated is which in color? Gray in color. Here impulse transmission is faster, that is which one? 130 meter per second in medullated neuron. In non-medullated neuron, impulse transmission is slower, that is 15 to 20 meter per second. Okay, and try to focus mind. In medulated neuron, the seed of swan is always present because it secretes the myelin cell. But try to focus mind. In non-medulated neuron, seed of swan may or may not present. Clear? So this is the basic fundamental about medulated neuron and non-medulated neuron. Okay, clear? Let us focus mind here. Okay, which one? Another figure as found, you can call that node of Ranvier. Okay, try to focus mind here. Yes, on which one? And internode. I want to tell this. Last one. If we talk about which one? Node of Ranvier. The last one. If we talk about this, there is a constriction. Okay, चापी ही जाइए ठीक है रखी दिया. Try to focus mind which one interrupt ही जाइए बा sorry जाइए. Which one that is myelin sheath. That is called interruption. Interruption. In we say myelin sheath. Okay, interruption we can call that constrictions. Constrictions in the we say myelin sheath. Constrictions found in the we say myelin sheath. We can call that node of Ranvier. Okay, that is which one? You can see this. Here but one constriction is found. So this is a node of Ranvier. Okay, here constriction is found. This is a node of Ranvier. Here constrictions are found in the myelin sheath. We can call that node of Ranvier. Yes. Where constrictions found in the myelin sheath, we can call that node of Ranvier. Okay, and the gap between two successive duita pakhabagi node of Ranvier bhitar thiba jaga ku we can call that, anybody guys, internode. Here node of Ranvier, here node of, the gap is internode. Here node of Ranvier, here node of Ranvier, the gap is internode. Okay, the gap or region found two successive node of Ranvier. Okay, the gap or region found between two successive node of Ranvier is called internode. Okay, try to guess, my dear. So another difference you can find out. In medulated neuron, myelin sheath is found, so node of Ranvier is found. So another point. In medulated neuron, node of Ranvier is found. In the same way, try to guess, my dear. In non-medulated neuron, node of Ranvier is not found because absence of we see myelin sheath. Clear? So this is the basic fundamental about node of Ranvier and which node? Internode. Just repeating that. The constriction or interruption in the myelin sheath, we can call that node of Ranvier, and the gap between or the region found between two successive node of Ranvier, we can call that which node? Internode. Clear? Lastly, we have just which one? Differentiate between axon and dendron. Okay, I'm just writing dendron, and the next one is we can call it axon. Clear? Try to guess mind one by one. Dendron is the which process? Already know that. Is the which process? Smaller process. These are the small process. Okay, axon is the which process? Anybody guys? Large structure, larger process. Okay, try to guess mind. Very interesting results. Next point. Dendron's number vary from, its number vary from 1 to many. 1, 2, 3, 4, it may be 1. Okay. Its number vary from, in some neuron 1, it is some number 2, in some neuron 3, like that. Its number vary from 1 to many, but its number is always 1. Its number is always 1. Clear? The next one. The important point. The dendron contains which granule? Nissls granule. It contains, anybody guys? Granular cytoplasm. Dendron contains granular cytoplasm containing which granule? Nissls granule. It contains cytoplasm only without granules. Dana nahi. It contains agranular, means absent. Agranular which plasm? Cytoplasm. Without Nissels granule. But important question sadapre tumanku asibo. Which one? Nissels granule found where? Options are, okay, try to guess my dendron, cyton, last I what don't worry for that. Okay, try to guess it contains granular cytoplasm containing Nissels granule, dendron, and try to guess my dear axon contain which one? Agranular cytoplasm without Nissels granule. Okay, try to guess my dear next one. Okay, try to guess my dear. Very interestingly, it brings the information. It brings the information. Brings the information to the cyton. So-called afferent process. Okay, it brings the information to cyton. So we can call that which process? Afferent process. Okay, but it takes away. It takes away the information from cyton, so-called efferent process. Which is a important question. ये information dendron and cyton को ताहले axon का महला try to guess one information cyton रू next neuron को नहीं चिपो, but next part को नहीं चिपो. ताले it takes away the information from cyton. Say the point, we can call that efferent process. One another question will come. That is the efferent process, axon, because it takes away the information from the which turn cyton. Okay, try to guess, my dear. This is another one. Is that okay? Dendron do not contain synaptic knob. Synaptic knob, but synaptic bottom, which one? Dendron re nahi. The dendron do not contain synaptic knob, but axon contains synaptic knob. Okay, try to guess one. So these are the basic fundamental about which one? Dendron and axon. Clear? So this is all about your which one? Neuron. In the next class, we will talk about types of neuron. Okay, please enjoy this video. I'll give my best effort for this video. You can understand I am which one with which one ku condition my video tiyari korchi. Okay, I'm giving just my best effort for making this video, and you give this your best effort. Okay, and utilize this knowledge. Okay, to make your life fruitful. Thank you, and thank you.